Assalamualaikum. I am Siti Sarah Malini binti Muhammad Hanifah from Polytechnic Kuala Terengganu, and my best partner Muhammad Suhalil bin Omar from Department of Polytechnic Education and Community College. Our title of the project is the design and utilization of a system for monitoring lecturer teaching and learning, or we can call it as i-PdP. Teaching and learning is a process occurs in every educational institution in Malaysia, whether in universities, college, polytechnics and schools. To ensure the effectiveness of delivery of teaching and learning by educators to students is at a good level, the process of monitoring the implementation of teaching and learning must be done by the top of institution. Therefore, a system for monitoring lecturer teaching and learning is developed to manage monitoring data on the teaching and learning of lecturers every year in college community throughout Malaysia. This system is developed using PHP as a programming language and MySQL as a database. The problems occurs before the project is developed. First is risk of calculation of incorrect monitoring marks. Each college must provide monitoring data manually. Dropout of student evaluation forms to lecturers. Confirmation of lecturer rotation must be monitored is difficult to do. And last, generation of reports done manually by all colleges delays the receipt of reports at the JPPKK headquarters. The objective of our project is to design the development of i-PdP, second, to develop i-PdP, and last, to implement i-PdP as one of the modules in Community College Management Systems, or CCMS. The methodology that our project choose is prototyping model. As Somerville in his books said, prototype is constructed, tested, and then reworked as required until an appropriate result is obtained from which the entire system or product can be produced. Methodology used is prototype, whereby the developing of system is simultaneously administered with the implementation. This will speed up the system development process. Based on this model, the repetition of the system improvement process occurs in user evaluation and refining prototype phase until the developed system meets the specifications of the actual requirements. The software and hardware specification that we use while developing the project is Hypertext Preprocessor or PHP as programming language, MySQL as database, and the platform for development we use Windows operating system. The hardware specification while the development process is processor Intel Core TMI5, installed RAM 16 GB, and system type 64-bit operating system. This is the result or the outcome from our project. This is the login page CCMS to access to the module i-PdP. This login page will ask the user to enter the username and password. This is the list menu that will appear to the user with the role can access to the module i-PdP in CCMS. This is the interface for assigning institution coordinator. This is the notification pop-up window for setting user status as monitoring officer. Notification pop-up window for setting user status as lecturer to be monitored, and this is the interface for mapping lecturer to be monitored to monitoring officer. This is the reporting that will be generated by the system. This is the interface for registering monitoring score or evaluation marks. And this interface that will be generate report, and this report can be directly accessed by the headquarters or JPPKK. As a conclusion of our project, project is successfully achieved the objective of project to design, to develop, and to implement as one of the modules in CCMS. This system has been used by Department of Polytechnic Education and Community College JPPKK and Community College throughout Malaysia. The systems also be able to overcome the previous problems in managing monitoring data on the teaching and learning of lecturers every year in community college throughout Malaysia. The selection of prototype methodology as our model in developing the system is appropriate for the system development because by using this model or methodology, the system development process can speed. The methodology can speed up the process of development. From this project, overall, the finding from this project is believed to be a potential solution that can eliminate issues and problems faced by the college community throughout Malaysia in managing, teaching, and learning monitoring data of lecturers, such as access to monitoring data is slow because monitoring data is stored in separate files in each college as before. No direct access from the Department of Polytechnic Education and Community College to the data. That's all for my presentation, and Assalamualaikum. Thank you very much.